Hi everybody, today we are going to make this delicious no-bake Oreo cheesecake. It's super rich and delicious and creamy. So we're going to start out with taking 2 sleeves of crushed Oreos, and they usually come in about 14 to a pack, and so we just crush those in a gallon bag with a rolling pin. And now we're going to add 4 tablespoons of coconut oil, or you could use melted butter. This was our first time using coconut oil, and I think next time we would prefer melted butter. And then you just mix in your oil or butter in with the crushed cookies until it's all well combined. And then we've got an 8x8 baking tray here that we're just gonna dump those cookie crumb in there and then push it down. And we usually like to push it down with a measuring cup. It seems to work really well because it's got the higher edges. And then you're going to take 2 blocks of 8-ounce cream cheese and softened, and so you just set those out on the counter to come to room temperature. And then add 1 cup of powdered sugar along with a teaspoon of vanilla. And then we'll mix those until smooth, and usually start mixing that on low and then mix it on medium and high once all the powder's combined, so you don't have dust flying everywhere. And then we just take 3/4 of a cup of heavy whipping cream and add that to our mixture. And then also a 1/2 cup of sour cream. And now my son wanted to make this special for his dad for Father's Day, and so he was in the kitchen with me, and this is the first time he's ever made it, and so I was just helping him out a little bit. And then you just get all of your whipping cream and sour cream into that mixture. And then mix that on medium-high and for about 2 to 3 minutes until it's nice and thick and creamy. Now about halfway through, we just like to scrape down the bowl just to make sure everything gets incorporated. And now our cheesecake mixture is done. And we just take it and pour it out onto our crust and smooth that out. And we don't chill or bake our crust. We just leave it as is, and then just put that, top that cream everywhere, and just spread that out. And it's done. Now, optional, you can top it with some more crushed Oreos, or you could do fresh fruit, or whatever else you'd like. But he wanted to top it with crushed Oreos to kind of match the crust. And so this is our Oreo no-bake cheesecake, and then you'll just cover it with some plastic wrap or whatever wrap you prefer for about 4 to 6 hours, and there you've got it. Rich and creamy and delicious. It was a perfect treat for Father's Day for our family this year. Let us know in the comments below what your favorite topping is for your cheesecake. We'd love to hear. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day.